Hello guys, welcome back to Lego Maker. Today we're gonna make a Wrangler Jeep. Before we start, like, subscribe and comment to our channel. Let's move to the first leg of our Jeep. You need this piece. And you also need this piece. It can be any color. You attach it like this. And you need a windscreen. And you attach it over here. Like that. Then you need a piece like this. And we have to place it over here. Like that. Next, we will be taking a piece like this and we'll be fixing it over here like that. And you need another one and you have to place it on the opposite of it like that. We'll keep this aside and let's make the roof. You'll need a piece like this. You can take any color. And two pieces like this. Both must be similar. And you attach it over here like that. Next, you need a piece like this. I don't know the name of it. Like that. And you must place it over here like that. Next, we need two similar pieces like this and attach them like that. And next, we will be needing a piece like these two pieces, both must be similar, any color. And you must attach them like this. Like that. And next you need a red piece like this. And you can attach it there. Like that. Okay. Now we're gonna make the wings. So you need sliding pieces like this. And we gonna go like that. Like that. And we're gonna do the same with another piece like that for the opposite. So I did both sides, this side and this side. So now we're gonna make the front part. Actually, we're not done with the back part, but it's easy if you do the front part first. So you need pieces like this, and you should attach it like that. Okay, and then same to the opposite with another piece, just like it. So you're done like that. Now you need two more pieces, as I said before, opposite, same. You like this, and then we're gonna attach it over here. If you can see a difference, that line over there. Yes, that. And then we're gonna move back to the back part. We need these pieces, two pieces like this, gray, and attach them here, like this. Next, we'll take black ones, just like the gray ones, but they must be black. Both, too. And we're gonna attach them on this piece over here, like that. Next, we are gonna make the filling. So we are moving on to get this part over here, and we are gonna attach it and fill this piece like the two gray ones are. Attach it. Next, we are gonna take a gray, or you can take a black if you want, and attach it on top of the other black piece you just added. That. Next, we are gonna take a long piece like that and attach it on top of the other two pieces you did. And then we'll be attaching it like this. Let's see next how we're gonna make the filling of the back part. We're gonna do the filling of the back part. The filling of the back part is gonna be done from this side. Like you make the back part and it must come from down over there, like that. So what we're gonna do is we need a white block like this and attach it beneath the black pieces, like that. Next, we will be taking a piece like this and attach it beneath the white block we just added, like that. Next, we will be taking mini pieces like these two and attach it over here. And then we're gonna add two bottle-like pieces and attach them on the back. Like that. Then we'll be attaching red lights. And the red lights are gonna be like that. Two, actually. And those black pieces like this on each side, those you'll be attaching those on them. Like that. And then we'll be taking orange parts and attaching them on the gray ones like the black. Like that. So we are done with the back part. Let's see how to make the front part. Now we did the back part. Now let's go to the front part. The front part needs super accuracy like me. So let's start by taking a piece like this. If you can see, my piece fell down. Oof, that's my piece. Here's my piece. A piece like this. You must attach it over here, like that. Next, we will be knitting a piece like this. You can pick a white one or a gray one without the holes, but I'll just take it. And you attach it behind the gray piece you just had. Like that. Next, we are going to take a flat part like this. You don't need those dots over there. You just need a flat part. I just took this back part. And attach it on top of the light gray and the dark gray ones. Like this. To cover it. Next, we're going to make lights. we need black things like this, just like we did in the back part. And we are gonna place it in order over here. Over there like this. Next, we will be needing yellow pieces like this. 2 actually. And I place them on the canvas. Okay. Next, we will be needing a beneath. Beneath those, we add any color canvas. I took a gray one and a black one. Attach it below those. And we are going to take a gray piece like this and attach it over to this side on top of both cameras. Like that. Next, we will be needing orange pieces like this, and we attach it over here. And you can see these 2 dots on the gray piece. We attach them on there, right on that piece, like that, to make it like that. Next, to make it more accurate, we are going to add some designs. We need these 2 pieces like this with dark gray, and attach them on either side of this place. Also attach it against the roof. Like that. And we are going to, now if you want it more accurate, you can add this piece. You need this piece to make it higher, the G to make it higher. And you need a piece like this with 2 dots on either side. And we attach this piece on top of it like this. And you have beneath this, you have this, and you're going to attach it over there like that. And we are going to make the wheels. But if you want to cover this place over here in the middle, you can use this accurate process. You need a piece like this, and you must attach it over here like that. And you need the piece again that you use, and add this piece in. Next, you need a piece like this, and attach it on the red piece that you just did, on the tip tops. So now we can attach it like that. When I attach it, it covers that space. Next, we'll be adding 2 pieces like this, and we're going to add it onto the holes on either side of the gray piece, like that. Next, we're going to add our wheels. 2 wheels will be available, and you add it on the X's like that. So it's attached like that. And you see it's a bit high. That's why I told you to do the accurate process. Now you take the second wheel and attach it just like the first wheel. Now we made both wheels, and we finished our front part. Next, when the process views of the back part, the same way should be needed on like the first 2 wheels. You need like this a piece with 2 holes on the side. This piece, attach it on top, two pieces like this. Attach it. You need the wheels. Attach it. And you need to attach it onto this part. All that. Just like you did for the first wheel. Like that. Next, you'll be needing like orange squares like this, and attach it on the tippy tubes on this place. Like over there. Okay, that's these two pieces over there. Yeah, attach it over there. There are those orange pieces. Next we have this green piece. This. When I add it on the rooftop, I just put the dot over there. This must be attached. Like that. So this is our Wrangler Jeep. It's actually right here. You can see our Jeep. So hope you guys like this Jeep. You can even customize your Jeep, like even any design you like. And hope you like this Jeep actually. It took me some time to practice to make this. Well, and please subscribe to our channel again and put a like and a comment. Thanks for watching this video. Once upon a